Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year again, and Costco is rolling out all of their new Christmas items. I'm going to take you in for a sneak peek at all of the festive decorations, some great gift ideas, and all of these are things you don't want to miss. This is going to make your Christmas shopping a breeze this year. So grab some hot chocolate, sit back, and let's check out what Costco has to offer. Ceramic Santas, look how cute he is. This one is winking. Some have their eyes open. They are pretty tall. So these are $42.99. They are $10 off with instant rebate, making them at $32. You could put these actually like on your table, maybe your tablescape, or even like an end table. This LED cone tree is huge. I mean, so big. It has 2,000 LED micro lights. Now, I'm not sure how tall this is. Let's see. It does say it does require two triple batteries, and it is actually, it looks like it might be 18 feet tall. Yeah, probably so. This is $19.99. This cute little penguin, which is right next to this 18-foot. Oh, look at it, different colors. I did not see that before. But this is a little penguin, so cute, a 60-inch penguin with LED lights. This one does plug in, $129.99. I feel like this is such a great deal. It is $14.99 with a $3 instant rebate, making it $11.99. This is a triple outdoor smart plugs. It looks like it would be great for holiday lights, string lights, landscaping, ponds, and fountains. And it looks like it has a remote access voice control. You can put it on timers, which would be great if you have Christmas lights out and you just want to have them on at a certain time and then you have them off at another time. So it looks like this is a 2-pack for $11.99. If you're looking for some heavy duty outdoor extension cords, these are $59.99. It looks like you get two 50-foot long extension cords, and I bet they light up. Oh, and you also get two of these 2-foot triple tap adapters. We have some twinkling icicles. These are $29.99. And so if you're like us here in Texas and you do not get any snow during the December months, this is a great way to just kind of fake it. Plus, it is not dangerous. It's not going to fall on you and accidentally, pierce you. 100 LED glitter gem garlands. Now, it looks like you could put these like on your stairwell or even on your windows. These are $55.99. I kind of feel like that's a lot, but if you do look at some Hobby Lobbies, I've seen some garland that don't even light up, and they are about $30. So it is a little bit on the pricey side, but boy, those are really, really pretty. Speaking of a garland, this is a 9-foot faux like glitter garden. This one is $49.99. They also have this 9-lit greenery garland with a pre-lit micro LED. This is what it looks like, and it's got some colorful lights. I think I saw it go white. Oh yeah, there you go. It does go white. $49.99. 48-inch plush snowmen. These are $99.99. And let's feel them. Oh, they are really cute. But I don't know, where would you put this? I guess you'd have to have a really big house in order to put this somewhere, because these are pretty massive. Their 48-inch is massive. This is a 7-foot lamppost with 150 lights. This is so big. 7 foot long. This is $99.99. And I really feel like Costco is just bringing in these massive outdoor options this year, because I have not seen these in the past, especially like with so much variety. This pre-lit 9-foot decorated garland is $49.99, and it also comes with some already ornaments attached to it. We have like a gold. It looks like they have some red here, and this is what it looks like lit up. It's really, really pretty. This is adorable. It is a deer family, and it's a set of 3. You got dad, you have mom, and you have the baby. These are pretty big, I have to say. They are probably, this one is probably 6 foot tall, and mom is probably about the size of me, which is about 5.5. It may not be that big just because it is on this pallet. And then of course you have the little baby. We also have this snowman family set of 4. Now this whole set is $179. They're all waving. They've got their little plaid scarves on. You can see the little carrot nose, and they just look like they're having such a great time. And you don't want to be the only house in your neighborhood who didn't put up Frosty. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. I know I was talking about massive holiday decorations, and this one is $5.99. It is huge. It is such a cute little holiday bear with a present. Buddy's little bear is holding the little present, and so cute. I mean, you're gonna have to have a big place to put this in your yard. It looks like they have just a handful of these. So if this is something that you would like, definitely go check out your local Costco and make sure you get it. Bring a truck. For something just a little more simple, you could either put this inside your house, which I think I might have this in house, like in the corner. It's a beautiful lit twinkle tree, and this has LED lights as well. It is $139.99. This would also be a great tree to just have up all winter. So even after the holidays, you could keep this in your house through the winter months. For $9.99, you can get this 4.5 pre-lit glitter flocked tree. It has 200 micro LED lights. It has a square pot base. This does say it is for indoor use only. And it actually has 5 different lighting functions, plus it has a remote. That is $99.99. Here are the different modes. So you have like a warm light, and you can also have a multicolor light. LED glass trees. These are really pretty. It looks like it's a little bit more clear on top, and it kind of fades out. These would be so pretty on your table next to a nightstand. Now these are $15 off, making them $59.99. And they do have a lot of them. It does come in a set of 2, and they do light up. These are the shatter resistant ornaments. Now you do get a set of 6 of these, and these are $19.99. You can choose from like golds in cream color, and also like this red with some green shimmer. These are really pretty. I think these would be good if you were to like hang them on your trees outside for outdoor use. These glass ornament decors, these are like heavy duty. Okay, so they probably light up, and it looks like they do take some batteries, but they're pretty big. You get a gold one, this green one, and a big red one. Now this set of 3 is actually $39.99. The large one is about 8 inches, the medium is about 7 inches, and the small one is almost 6 inches. I did see these a few months ago. They brought out the Yankee Candle 6-pack for $19.99. These are all of the scents for Christmas. It looks like you can get a smoked vanilla, a winter spruce, red apple, a lakefront lodge, dried lavender, winter spruce, and grapefruit. Oh my gosh, it smells like dirty socks. That's gross.
Ew! I'm gonna try this one. Smoked vanilla and cashmere.
I don't know. I just
don't want that. Our house to smell like that.
I would say pass on this set for sure.
This one is the lavender and oak. Sniff.
Yeah, see, no, it's just not my vibe at all. This is the other set that they have. Now, this one is the same price at $19.99. And these are a little bit bigger. You get 3 different scents. You got a sapphire, a cinnamon pumpkin, and an apple grove. Let's smell these. So we got the apple one.
Maddie.
Okay, now that one smells pretty good. That one I could burn. This one is cinnamon pumpkin. I don't know about this one. It's a little wonky. And the sapphire one. Oh gosh, that was terrible. Pass, just pass.
The pumpkin one's good.
This one smells. That one.
This one smells good.
I didn't like that one.
You sure? It's good.
I mean, it's better than that sapphire cashmere.
Well, I didn't smell this one.
Oh. Yeah. These are new this year. Last year they just had some plain LED candles, but I love how they kind of wrapped them and added some extra oomph to them. So it looks like you can get like this white and silver one, and it looks like they also have like this kind of gold color one. These are $19.99. And they probably have a remote with them. Yep, they do have a remote with them. But these are so pretty. I actually bought some last year, and I use them all the time. This is a glass LED candle sound. These are pretty cute, but I do want to know like how they would smell. These are $29.99. So to me, that is like $10 each. Maybe a little bit pricey, but I would like to smell them before I bought them, but they don't have any of that out. So makes me question. The LED glass raindrops, these are so cute. So they do take batteries. I wonder if we can try it and turn them on. No, they're probably already dead, but you do get like a 3 in like a smoky gray finish. These are actually on instant savings for $19.99, but I think these would be good. You know, look, it's showing it like putting it onto a book or even just a decorative shelf. $32.99. You can get these lighted glitter trees. Now again, these are battery operated. I guess they do some different colors. It's shown in color changing lights, and those are really pretty. If you need a nativity scene, I think this is absolutely a wonderful price. In I can't see the quality, but it looks so nice. Look at the details in all of this. Look at baby Jesus. Oh, even the donkey and the 3 kings. Now this nativity scene is a 14 piece, and it is currently $99.99. If you need one, this one is, it's a good price, and it's so big. It's just beautiful. Now we're just gonna run real quickly down the wrapping aisle. So if you do need some, they have some here. These are $12.99, and let's see, you get 270 square feet, and I do like this. It's like paper. They have some for $14.99, and they have these colors here. You've also got 400 sheets of tissue paper. That's a good deal for $7.99. They've got their holiday gift tags. This is $12.79. If you are needing some tape, this tape is actually on instant savings, just $3 off for $6.99, and you get 6 of them. Actually, the tape is $13.49 with $3.50 off, making it $9.99. Scissors are actually $6.99. And this is what you get, 3-piece scissors. So that's still really a good deal. Here are some more Christmas ornaments. They've got some gold, and they have the traditional red and green. These are 18-piece set for $25.99. If you want your kids to like have a cute little decorative tree, they've got these Squishmallows holiday ornament set. It's a set of 10, and it is $26.99. And this is what you get. They're really cute, but they're probably not going to be squishy. Those are hard. If you are looking for the soft Squishmallows, they do have them. This is an 8-pack. It is $16.99. It looks like there's a few different sets that you can get, but these are going to be like the soft ones. They also have this 6-piece set for $11.99. It's a very soft, they have all these little animals. These are so soft. Now, my kids would, I'd put those on the tree, and then my kids would probably come and take those off because they're so cute. And I agree. Look at the moose. If you are needing to make your own bows for the holidays, they have a beautiful set of ribbons. Lots to choose from. You get like 50 yards of this, and it looks like it is going to be $7.99. You can make your own bows, and if you didn't know, I actually have some tutorials on how to make some bows that I had posted about 10 years ago on this channel. So just go back, scroll by most popular, and you can see some how to make some bows. This is the first that I've seen ruggable at Costco. This is $2.99. Now this is an 8x10. I have never had a ruggable before. I have bought like Costco's ruggable washables and been super happy with, and they have been like such a fraction of the price. So I really don't know the difference. And this one, they do feel a little bit different. But I see. So you got the 2 different pieces. That's going to be the difference in the ones that I have bought before. But they've got some different patterns. They got like this blue one, and they also have like this more black and taupey brown color. Those are $2.99. I think this cute little infrared heater would be so good, like in an area of your house that might get a little chilly, or just to make it a little bit cozy. It is a electric heater. It has steel construction, a powder coated finish, and it actually uses an LED flames with or without heat. So you could just turn it on and have the coziness of a fire without the heat if you wanted to. Oh, and it also has a sleep timer. That's pretty cool. This one is actually on instant savings for $99.90. Costco has brought back their super soft robes. They had these last year, but in different color. I bought one last year, and I have to say it has been so nice and cozy for only $16.99. Now this year they have like this light mauve color, and they have a purple color. So if anyone in your family needs a new robe, this is definitely something I would pick up. If you didn't know, Costco has some great deals on some gift cards. So here's, for example, at Hawaiian Bros, never heard of that. Maybe I've just been under a rock. You can get 4 $25 gift cards for $79.99. So you're basically saving $20 by buying these gift cards. So if you loves to give gift cards out, this is great. They have sea candies. You get 2 $25 gift cards for $38.99. You can get 4 $25 gift cards to Crumble for $79.99. Now this one is pretty good. You've got all of these different restaurants to choose from. You've got Del Frisco, Saltgrass, Joe's Crab Shack, Golden Nugget, and M&S. And you'll get 2 $50 gift cards for $79.99. I do like to stop by the books and see if they have anything new, or if they've got some new book sets for kids and even adults. So definitely stop by here because they are always changing these out. We just had a sample of this maple pecan bar cake, and it is so good. Like each of the little different layers, as you can see here, like has a different taste to it. So you kind of get like that pecan crunch, you get that maple mousse filling, and there's a brown butter mousse that is on top. It does have pecans, but it's so good. I do love pecans, but if you're allergic to them, you cannot about have it. And while we talk about it, don't forget, pick up a Costco pumpkin pie for $5.99. These advent calendars always go so quickly every year. I mean, we're in October and they are already starting to sell out. They are $18.99. You can open one for each day of the month in December.
Can we get one?
It's so much fun. My girls love these. So this is all of the chocolates that you get. And at the end, you get to connect the dots to discover their Sierra Deli Peppermint Bark collection is back. You can get the dark chocolate peppermint bark and the white one. So yummy. These are $15.79. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this new Costco preview video. Let me know down below what you thought was the most interesting thing that we found. I really enjoyed all of those huge outdoor festive decorations. I think Costco just blew it out the water with that. So if you're really into decorating your outdoor area, they have a lot of options. That bear with the present, I couldn't believe how huge that was. Now, I don't know how long it would take you to actually put that together, but it is pretty neat. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.